Welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. My name is Ankush and thank you for watching this video. So in the last lecture, we have discussed about what is the FRA location. FRA is a fast recovery area which is going to store your RMAN backup and other files related to the Oracle database. If you want to know more about the FRA location, then you can watch my previous video. In our today's lecture, we are going to learn about how to check FRA is enabled or not, how to configure FRA in your real-time production environment. All these things we are going to see practically. But again, before we go to the practical part, if you are looking for real-time Oracle DBA training, please reach out to the number which is available in the screen, or you can also call us directly. You can also learn a lot of free content on this YouTube channel. For that, you just need to like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel. So let us go to my screen and we are going to see how to configure FRA in real-time Oracle database. First of all, I'm going to connect to the Oracle database by firing a command like sql+/accessdba. My database is already running, and if you want to check the status, you can just simply fire a command like select name, open_mode from 𝐕_database, and here I can see that my database is up and running. Now I'm going to show you whether the FRA is enabled on this server or not. For that, you just need to fire a command like show parameter recover, and this will give you the information like DB recovery file destination. If you see this DB recovery file destination, here it is saying that it is a blank. It means your destination has not been set. Even if you see the DB recovery file destination size, it is showing it as 0. When these two parameters is showing like 0 or blank, it means the FRA location has not been enabled. So I'm going to tell you like how you can set these two parameters, and we are going to enable the FRA location. So first of all, we are going to create one location where the flashback logs are going to be generated. So I'll create a location like mkdir-p/data/FRA. Let's create a location like this. This location I have created on Linux level. Now this is a location I'm going to set it to the DB recovery file destination. So for that, we have a simple SQL command is there. Let me run this command. First of all, we are going to set the size. The size I'm going to allocate it 20 GB to this FRA location. So we have set up the size. So this second parameter we have set up. Now I'm going to set up the first parameter, which is DB recovery file destination. Now when I'm going to verify show parameter recover, earlier it was 0, but now I can see it is 20 GB. It means in this location, maximum 20 GB of flashback logs can be generated and can be stored, which is sufficient for this test environment. Now our DB recovery file destination and this DB recovery file destination size, both the parameters has been set. So whenever these two parameters are already set, we can say that my FRA location has been enabled. Now if I try to take the RMAN backup, my RMAN backup will go into this default location. You can also generate the new archive logs to the FRA location by just simply running the system-set command, and you can place your archive log destination to the FRA. So I'm going to show you this practically in the next lecture. But before that, you just need to like, subscribe and share this channel so that whenever we are going to upload a new video, you are the first person who is going to be notified. Again, if you are looking for online as well as classroom training in Pune location, you can visit our office. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you have any queries, anything, please use the comment section, which is completely free of cost.